The fifth phase of the nationwide lockdown is supposed to end a day after tomorrow. Although the central and state governments have already been trying to open up the country slowly, the coronavirus cases do not seem to be coming down. India is now ranked 4th in the list of countries with highest coronavirus cases across the world, right after the US, Brazil, and Russia. Let's look at the global numbers of COVID-19. The SARS-CoV-2 virus has so far infected 1,129,955 people globally. The death toll across the world stands at 5,02,208. The number of recovered patients in the world rose to 54,94,422, with almost 54% of the global recovery rate. In India, the total number of positive COVID-19 cases have gone up to 5,28,859, out of which 3,09,712 have been either cured or discharged. The death toll in India due to COVID-19 stands at 16,095. Of the 16,095 deaths, Maharashtra accounts for the maximum with 7,273 fatalities, followed by Delhi 2,558, Gujarat 1,789, Uttar Pradesh 649, Madhya Pradesh 550, and Rajasthan 391. In the last 24 hours in India, around 19,906 new cases of COVID-19 were reported, whereas 410 coronavirus deaths were reported. Let's move on towards the important news of the day. Delhi has not reached community transmission of the novel coronavirus. Union Home Minister Amit Shah said on Sunday, a day after the city reported 2,948 fresh infections over 24 hours to record more than 80,000 cases overall, nearly as many as China, where the pandemic began in December 2019. Responding to questions about possible community level spread of the virus in the national capital, the Home Minister told news agency ANI there is no need to fear and said he had consulted 3 senior doctors on this subject. I have talked to Dr. Paul from government think tank Niti Aayog, Dr. Bhargava, Chief of the Indian Council of Medical Research, and Dr. Guleria, Director of AIIMS. This situation has not come to Delhi, Amit Shah said. Such a situation appeared because of total COVID-19 tests conducted. Earlier 30% turned out to be positive, and that was happening because tests were done at the last moment. Now that we have started doing 20,000 tests on average, the condition is not there. There is no need to fear, he said. Community transmission or stage 3 of a pandemic is marked by cases that cannot be traced to any source of infection. The national capital is the second worst affected region with 80,188 confirmed cases of coronavirus. This includes 2,558 deaths and 28,329 active cases. Last week, the city detected more than 3,000 new cases over 3 consecutive 24 hours periods, and it has seen over 2,000 new cases every day since June 17.
हमारे घरों में भी बच्चे होते हैं जो हमसे प्यार दुलार की आस करते हैं।
हमारा भी जीवन साथी है जिसको हमारे ड्यूटी से घर आने का इंतजार होता है।
हमारे घर में भी एक बूढ़ी माँ है जिनके लिए आज भी हम ही आंखों के तारे हैं।
लेकिन हम हमारे घरों में नहीं हैं। आपकी सुरक्षा में कोई कसर न रहे, इसलिए हम अपने प्रियजनों से दूर हैं।
हम में से ही कुछ तो अब इतने दूर जा चुके हैं कि वो वापस अपने घरों को लौट भी नहीं पाएंगे।
हमें गर्व है कि हमारे कंधों पे मुंबई शहर के नागरिकों की सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी है। हमारे जज्बे और बलिदान को व्यर्थ न जाने दे। इस संकट के समय में आप घर पे रहे, सुरक्षित रहे।
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.